Have you ever animated a project just for you? If not, I'll tell you why you should in today's video. Now, I'm not talking about being the only animator on a project for a client. I mean creating something that you want to see come to life. Maybe you have an idea that's been bouncing around your head for a while. Or maybe you're afraid other people will think it's a dumb idea. Don't let those thoughts deter you. If you really want to make it, you should. It might help if you remember my 3 rules for personal projects. Rule number 1, keep it under 3 minutes. Rule number 2, make it funny if you can. And rule number 3, make it as cheaply as you can. Why do I think it's important to make your own personal project? For one, you will be getting this idea that you like out of your system and into the world. I also think it's important to have a project that reflects you without influence or input from other people. There's a saying within the design community. It goes something like, design by committee equals shit. The more people get a say into the design of something, the more convoluted the outcome. So try not to get other people's opinion on your project while you're working on it. There won't be other people telling you that you should do it this way, or it would be better if you added a clown to it. This one project is yours, and yours alone. Don't worry about making money from it. The goal of this one is to have a personal project of your own, not to get rich. Some people start promoting their animation while they're working on it. If you decide to do this, you will undoubtedly get people's opinions influencing your decisions about your project. Then it really isn't yours anymore. There's a time and place for listening to other people's opinions and influences, but not on this one. You'll get plenty of feedback on it when you show the completed animation to people anyways. You can use those insights on your next project if you want to. But this one is a reflection of you and your skill level at this moment in time. Remember to rest up after completing your personal project. It'll be a lot of work and you'll be tired. And if down the road you feel like making another one, by all means, go for it. But do at least one. Because once you start working with clients or a studio, your free time to make your own project will go out the window. If you found this video helpful, you might like my Skillshare animation classes. I have 10 classes up right now, and I have more coming soon. Sign up and get 2 free months of Skillshare Premium with this link. This has been Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator. See you next time.